The Bees Aluminum Products Vector Broccoli Harvesting Conveyor Belt is an advanced system designed for efficient broccoli harvesting. This conveyor belt is equipped with rotating and directional capabilities, situated at the center of 4 harvest boxes for quick and effective harvesting. As crops are placed on the harvest belt, they automatically fall onto the conveyor and are loaded into the harvester boxes located below. The harvest conveyors can extend up to an impressive length of 14 meters, allowing for seamless and productive harvesting processes. The MUD machine has revolutionized tasks across different industries, making work efficient and enjoyable with its versatility and functionality. In today's video, we'll explore the incredible farming machines that are revolutionizing agriculture, with advanced machinery and automated lines harvesting millions of tons of vegetables. Uprooting massive trees is now a matter of seconds with the aid of a 255-centimeter spade. Take a look at this specialized tractor equipped with 2 wheel levels, perfect for working with tall plants. Farmers save time with this innovative harvesting method. Share your alternative harvesting methods by leaving a comment. Tulips, originating from Central Asia, have become one of the most popular and beautiful flowers worldwide. The Netherlands is famous for its tulip industry, producing over 1.7 billion flowers annually, making it a significant part of the country's economy and culture. The Netherlands is the leading exporter of tulips, primarily to Europe and the United States. In this video, we'll discover how to plant, care for, and harvest tulip bulbs, including the interesting fact that the same tulip bulb can be planted twice a year. Let's explore the secrets behind the beauty of tulips. This common method of harvesting has minimal impact on the tree's health and growth. Using a special paper conveyor, farmers can sow a field at an incredibly fast speed. This machine seems to be equipped with a radar sensor, making it a perfect and innovative invention. The trimmer's versatility allows you to access remote areas like the woods for age-old winemaking techniques. With a spray cannon like this, farmers can overcome drought fears. This device initiates the winemaking process. This machine can milk 2,000 goats an hour, and the animals quickly position themselves, showcasing its efficiency.
Now, the animals under its protection have nothing to fear.
These farms' processes are fully automated, and the results are impressive with the variety of crops they can grow. Witness the power of this machine as it restores a field's irrigation system with just one pass. The special machine operates from below, providing efficient plant protection and shaping for vineyards. This machine collects 400 kilograms bales effortlessly, as if they were juggling balls. Tulip planting in the fall starts from September to November, depending on the region and weather conditions. The soil is prepared carefully with fertilization and digging holes 20 to 25 centimeters deep. Tulip bulbs are then placed with 10 to 15 centimeters spacing and covered evenly for protection and moisture. Some tulip bulbs are planted on mesh sheet plants after the flowering season. The plums harvested in August look delicious, indicating that they must have received good care and attention throughout their growth. This powerful colossus efficiently collects and packs cotton, making it ready for transportation over long distances. Witness the power of this stump remover as it effortlessly clears stumps from the ground. To ensure optimal growth, tulip farms in the Netherlands utilize machinery for automated cultivation. These machines provide water, nutrients, and light to the flower beds at precise intervals, resulting in a remarkable yield of tulips each year.